I learned from the legends. Tell me something that you cannot learn from the legends. I mean, with Lalgudi Jayaraman, I would say that the sensitivity, the sheer sensitivity of his music, and he can do music for anything. He can do music for a love song, he can do music for a performance, he can do music for a musical, he can do music for anything. He knows exactly how to apply the energy, So in fact our lyricist, we had a lyricist called Swati Var. He said, I feel like I'm doing my 100th film, even in my first film with Lalgudi Jayaraman, because that's the kind of mastery he has. So when he's in the studio, he knows exactly what to do. And he knows exactly when to give music, when not to give music. The silence is also music when he gives music. It's like that. Brilliant. He's just brilliant. With Saroj Khan, I mean, it's so difficult to cope with her, Sometimes in 1 minute, she can give you 20 expressions. And each expression will be clear. But the heroines can never pick up all the 20. I'm sure even when she works with Madhuri Dixit or something, I'm sure Saroj Khan was able to get maybe 50% of what she was able to give, But the learning is very high, because you still learn what those expressions are. Number line kurtona, she's able to give you 20 different expressions, where any other choreographer would have probably given you 2 or 3, It's like that. So she has a range which is something fantastic, And Madhu sir, I mean, everybody learns from him when they go and work with him. And he's really like my guru, because I worked with him in my first film. And it was my first film, absolutely. I had not assisted anybody, I had not been an AD with anybody. So he's like my guru in cinema. So we used to talk, we used to discuss, we used to fight, we used to argue. We never beat up each other, but short of that, we did everything in terms of argument and learning. And he's also very open-minded. That's very important. All 3 of them, they're also willing to listen to what the director has to say. That's also important. So I think it was fantastic. Fantastic. I couldn't have asked for better for a first film. No amount of working with any director as any AD could have given me that experience. Not possible. In Tamil, why? I'm a female director. You think I haven't made it? I won 3 national awards and 2 state awards for my film, in my first film. Depends on how you call making it. But I think female directors are only now coming into the field. So I think they will make it. The more female directors that come, the more chances are there for female directors. See, male directors have been dominating for centuries, I mean for decades. Modaleni, you've only seen lots and lots of male directors, but you have had women like Bhanumati, and there have been 1 or 2 very successful women directors in Telugu also, I think. The more experience women directors get, See, male directors have been there for 100 years. Women directors have not even been there for 10 years. Think about it. It's not so bad, the record. Yeah. So all of you go see my film, then everything will be fine. Well, the film is definitely releasing by the end of August, when we are not competing with all these big, names. So we will release, and you will see it pretty soon, actually. And as far as future plans are concerned, there are 2 very major projects that I'm going to be doing. I'm not even allowed to announce it right now. We will be making 1 major announcement in August and 1 major announcement in September. You can wait for that. So there will be big names, big stars, very big project, and I'm really quite thrilled. And both are very exciting. But I'm dying to tell you, but I'm not allowed to tell you, not just now. Maybe a little later. Nanda's weight loss is for his own home production. It's not for my film. So he's doing a home production which he has also not announced yet. But the weight loss is for that. So he's looking quite alright in my film. Adakapranda he's done the weight loss. Silva Master is a man of 1000-watt energy, first of all. அது ஒரு வேடிக்கையான கதை அது, because அவர் You see, he's probably, I don't know if he's worked with a woman director before or not, but we had decided that he has to come and do the stunts for this film. Because இதுல வந்து அது வந்து plane பறக்கிறது, helicopter பறக்கிறது, அந்த மாதிரி stunts கிடையாது. You know, these are stunts that go with the character of the film. High energy fight, you know, climax fight, அதெல்லாம் இருக்கு, but it has to go with the story. That is very important. Audience also expects that in a story like this, you know. So, அவர் கூப்பிட்டு நாங்க ஒரு meeting with the director. We had never met before, me and Silva Master. So he came, and அவர் வந்துட்டு போறச்சே ஒரு lightning மாதிரி அவர் நடக்க தெரியாது, ஓடுவாரு இல்ல பறப்பாரு, you know, he's like that. So he came inside and he said, where is the director அப்படினாரு. அங்கதான் இருக்காங்க டைரக்டர், யாரோ பாயிண்ட் பண்ணாங்க. He still didn't know that it was me. So he came and stood in front of me and he said, where is the director அப்படினா. I said, master, I'm the director, அங்க இங்க பார்க்காதீங்க அப்படின்னு. Yes madam, okay, you are director? I said, yeah. Sharda madam? I said, yes. So he looked at me for 1 minute and then he said, madam, இந்த மாதிரி நீங்க மயிலாப்பூர்ல இருந்து மூக்குத்தி போட்டுக்கின்னு மயில் மாதிரி பறந்து வந்தா நீங்க தான் டைரக்டர் நான் எப்படி யோசிப்பேன் அப்படின்னா. I said, அப்படிதான் இப்போ நான் தான் டைரக்டர், மயில் மூக்குத்தி மயிலாப்பூர் மூணும் நிஜம், but I'm still the director அப்படின்னு. So anyway, so then we sat and we discussed. So I told him, இந்த மாதிரி மாஸ்டர் இதெல்லாம் பண்ணணும், இது அங்கேருந்து இங்கேருந்து அடிக்கணும், அங்கேருந்து அடிக்கணும், நிறைய ஸ்கஃபில் பண்ணணும். I told him the whole situation. எல்லாம் முடிச்சுட்டு he asked me, எல்லாம் புரிஞ்சிச்சு, ஆனா இந்த ஸ்கஃபில்ன்றீங்களே அது என்னது அது அப்படின்னாரு. I said, without understanding that word, how did you understand? That is the main word of that whole, you know, situation. He is extraordinary. அவருக்கு என்னன்னா நிறைய கமர்ஷியல் ஃபிலிம்ஸ் பண்ணிட்டு வந்திருக்காரு, lot of big budget films. So, but still when he came here, he completely understood இது எப்படி இந்த ஸ்டோரி, how it is different, எப்படி ட்ரீட்மெண்ட் கொடுக்கணும். He fully, so now I understand why he's so successful, because a very intelligent man, and he's a man who's going to surprise our audiences in the future, I feel. You know, almost all of them who worked with me, Nanda, Andrea, Silva Master, Vidyasagar sir irukar pala varshama, all of them, they are going to give some surprises, I feel, in the future. நிறைய இருக்கு, எல்லாம் அவங்க சூப்பர் ஸ்டார் ஆயிடுவாங்க ஃபியூச்சர்ல, நீங்க பாருங்க, that's going to happen. I want to wish all the viewers and visitors and hitters of Behind Woods a very, very happy future. My best wishes to you, and please come and see Pudhiya Thiruppangal. It is a film made for you so that you can understand it, enjoy it, and sit at the edge of your seat and watch it right till the end and come away feeling happy. Thank you.